Now I will tell you how to learn the button to the watch pager, and you can see. And now first step, we press the two middle buttons together at the same time. You can see it shows the menu, save number model, and then we choose press the right, this one, and we need to press the button to send the learning singular. We need to press check cancel and let it read, and it turns the learning model, so you can make it a number. And we defined it as the first one, and move and save. Okay, now you can see I press service, and the watch page vibrate and make beeper sound. This is the two-way notification, and I press order, call order. One call order it shows on the pager, and press to check, and it shows one call check and cancel.